to award our top performers for the year. Eh, hindi na ho natin patatagalin mga kapatid. Wala namang ibang magbibigay ng pasinaya at recognition at pagpupuri. Walang iba, our founders and officers. May we call them once again sa stage. Our Chairman, CEO, President Doc Paduguera. A big round of applause. Thanks so much for our CEO, Miss Vin Paduguera, to join our President to award our top 20 to top 11 earners of Maximum 88. Are you guys ready? Are you excited? Congratulations po sa inyo. Alam mo po yung pagod, alam mo yung hataw, alam mo po yung mga sacrifices, effort, and dedication at pagmamahal po ninyo sa grupo ninyo. And you deserve this 100%, this recognition, each and every one of you, especially our top performers. Kaya naman let's go on and dive in and recognize our top 20 earners. Starting off with our top 20, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Timmy Blondie from Archers International. Let's take a photo. Grabe. And now for our official. This is our official top earners. Our official top 20. Make some noise. Congratulations to Rain G Babaison from Tycoons International Cebu, Philippines. Down to our top 18. Let's make some noise and congratulations to Priscilla Calara from Green Dragon. Anyone from the member team who would like to receive the award on behalf of Priscilla Calara? Ayan, nandiyan po si Coach Merchant. Palakpakan natin to receive the award on behalf of Priscilla. Congratulations. And please remain on stage. Habang palalim ng palalim yung top earnership, palaki ng palaki po ang kinikita ng mga ito. At saludo ho kami sa inyong pong mga hataw at pagpupursige. Kaya naman tawagin na ho natin, hindi pa pauli, ang ating official top 17. Congratulations to Christine Omandam from Snipers Elite Pentagon, UAE. And to receive the award is Carlo Ranodo on behalf of the awardee Christine Omandam. Palakpakan po natin once again. Hindi pa mahuli ang ating official top 16 lumalaban para sa top earnership. Congratulations and give it up for top 16 Ernie Dexter Pana from Archers International UAE. Congratulations, brother! Ang galing! At syempre pa, isa rin to talaga sa masipag. Tawagin natin, walang iba, our official top 15. Congratulations! Noel! Engineer Noel Masipit from Archers International UAE. Congratulations and a big round of applause for our Let's call on and congratulate our top 11, Lorena Atienza from Green Dragons International UAE. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga official top earners. And please be on at the center of the stage for our official photo op. Again with our founders and officers. Congratulations po muli sa inyo. Kayo po ay sinasaluduhan namin. Napakasisipag, napakauhusay na mentor and coaches. Saludo po muli sa inyo. Alright, once again, palakpakan po natin sila. Maraming salamat po. You may now take your seats. And sa ating po mga founders and officers, please wait on stage as we will award our top 10 to 6. Okay, top 10 to 6. Excited na ba kayo? Excited na ba kayo? Sabihin nyo, paganda na pa-excite. Sino kaya ang pasok sa ating top 10? Hindi na ho natin magtatagalin pa. Okay, pero gusto ko po muna marinig ang palakpakan ninyo at hiyawan.
Nakapasok!
Si Lord, nalulog si Lord sa atin. Tuwan-tuwa siya, pagkakita ng babagong buhay. At pag nakikita niyang sumisigaw ka at pumapalakpak ka, yayaman ka at magiging healthy ka pa! Alright, maraming salamat. And down to our top 10, palakpakan natin. Congratulations, our top 10! John, Adrian, Adriana, our office top learner. Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations, brother. Ang galing, ang galing. Saludo sa'yo. Ikaw ang top 9 earner official, Ray Ann Bauyon from Archers International UAE. And now, let's call on down to our final 8, our top official number 8 earner. Walang iba, palakpakan natin si Ginaline Abuel mula po sa grupo ng Archers International. Magpalakpakan UAE. Congratulations! And now, our top 7, palakpakan natin. Give a big round of applause. Congratulations to Rian Rana! Official top 7 pa lang ang buong taon from Archers International UAE! Archers, mag-ingay! And now to complete our next batch of top earners, tawagin natin our official top 6 earner. Walang iba, milyo-milyo palakpakan. Congratulations to John Wilford De Leon from Archers International UAE. Once again, Archers, mag-ingay! Alright, follow up muna tayo sa ating mga founders and officers. Congratulations once again sa ating pong official top earners. Isang buong taon pong makikita ang mukha ninyo sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. UAE. There you go. Palakpakan po natin once again our top earners. At syempre, makakasama pa rin natin si Mambingin President Dogpat para po tayo ay